Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Patch My PC on Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Patch My PC download. Now we can simply click on the first website and then click on download home updater. Click on it, click on the download. Now as you can see that the download has been completed. Now if you click on this folder icon, click on it 2 times to install. Now you can simply run it, simply minimize all of your background tab. And now as you can see that here you have to click on I agree the license terms condition, click install. There will be a permission, click yes for the permission. And now as you can see your Patch My PC is rightly installed in your computer. What it does, it will going to help you to update your drivers and softwares. So on that occasion, make sure that you rightly install it. So yeah, this is how we can simply download and install Patch My PC on Windows. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.